Locksmith Keyless here with a new ECS Tools product alert. We have the new Gen 5 123D Decoder for Kwikset SmartKey systems. As you can see, this is a Kwikset SmartKey system. You can tell because it has a little notch right there on the side. Okay, and that's for the SmartKey tool to allow you to get into rekey settings. Okay, but if you don't have one of those, if you don't have the original key, what do? You have one of these decoders that allows you to use the scope to look inside of the cylinder, and from that you can surmise what key depth it is, because you would be able to match the image with one of these images here, and it'll tell you if it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 depth. Great tool to have, but it's not very effective if it's a new style of smart key lock, which is the Gen 5. And when you see a Gen 5, this is the images that come up instead of what you saw on the other charts. Okay, if you see these images, you would know that if you see the one that is indicated with a 1 through 3, means that there is no way to decipher if it's a 1, 2, or 3 depth. The only way to do it is if you have a special tension tool such as this that allows you to feel out what the depth is of the key. Okay, so you would insert one of these tools inside the lock. The feeler tip goes right underneath that little piece of metal right there. And here you would figure out, from every position what the key depth are. Okay, especially the ones that are giving you issues, which is for the 1, 2, or 3 depths. So here you would be able to find, say it's the third one, you go to the third line, and then with a medium to light tension, you would be able to feel out, if it's a 1, 2, or 3 depth. Awesome tool to have in the toolbox, real handy for making keys on the run, and makes for a very happy customer because you're able to get in without having to drill out their lock. Okay, great tool again. We're happy to have it here at Locksmith Keyless. Please follow us for more videos on products such as this. Thank you so much.